Oh, another day at my new job, well, the first day, and I'm so excited that I'm working at a parking. Looks like I'll just take one of the spots, because after all, I do work here. I guess I'll take the last spot. Time to park it. It's finally parked. Now I'll see if I have a new customer. This is where you pay, and it's $5, and there's some helmets. Let's see if anyone will come. Oh, looks like we have our first customer. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, you go here. Just back up a little.
Hey.
The yellow.
Hello. Can I get that helmet?
Oh, and would you like a parking spot?
Yes.
Okay, well, this is where you pay.
Okay.
So a parking spot is $5 and a helmet. So I would need my money for the parking. I'll let you park in 1 minute. So what helmet would you like?
Can I have the unicorn one?
The unicorn, perfect. It'll fit perfect on your head.
I think I got it.
Here you go. You can park in any of these spots.
Okay. Let me get my
You just buckle it.
What
What a cute helmet. Now we only have one, the pink one. Ma'am, you need to pull that down. It looks like it's stuck. Okay, just go on the yellow, maybe.
Oh, sorry.
Park to that bike, my bike. Just follow the yellow. Yeah, you can ride your bike like a scooter. It helps me while So, man, you just take it. Okay? Keep recording. Mom, could you let it go on my scooter next time? Alright. So, I'm now. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh, ma'am, I can help you. Someone just told me to park their scooter, and they also paid, but I don't know how to park a scooter. It falls over. I can help you. No, ma'am, it's fine. You just park them like that.
I will be right back.
Alright, bye. Now I just need to try parking this. Oh no! Here's the training wheels, and she has no thing. Looks like I'll just have to park it on the ground. I'll have to move it over to the next spot.
Hey, ma'am.
Oh, hello. Looks like you have another vehicle. Would you like to park that? Is that your vehicle?
Yes.
Well, technically, if you have two vehicles, you'll have to pay again for another parking spot.
Oh.
Thank you.
Welcome. Oh, and can I get a helmet?
Oh, didn't you have? Oh, you're new. Oh,
Yeah.
sorry. I thought you were the other lady. Oh my God, you only know me.
I'm a twin.
Oh my God, that's why. Sure. Would you like this pink one? It has stickers over it, and it's super duper pooper cute.
Yes, I have that.
Sure. Let me just unbuckle it for you. Looks like we're out of helmets for anyone. Just put it on. I love your blue scooter. Yeah, see how that scooter is? That's how we're gonna have to put yours.
Oh, I think I got it. I won't break my car, you know, you guys. I did it.
Yeah, but I can park it for you,
Oh,
man.
I got it.
You just have to pay 98 cents more. Okay. Well, that's
My car cannot be
No,
broken.
help you have to stay inside the parking spot. You can't be out of it.
Oh,
Okay, helmet. If you'd like to bring your helmet wherever you're trying to go to your destination, you can bring that.
Oh, you know what? I'm going to get to ice cream now.
Okay, but do you have anything on you that you'd like to put near it that I can keep safe?
Sorry, no.
Oh, all of a sudden you're talking like a guy?
Well, I mean, sometimes
Oh, hey,
when I'm
you're back.
excited,
Time to go get, man, I just need to give this.
sometimes when I'm excited, I breathe like a man.
Okay. Here you go. Bye, man. We'll have your thing back in. I can't wait for the next new customer. We have one more customer that's coming in. They actually had an appointment, which is pretty weird to get a spot. I guess we'll just wait here. I heard they had a scooter just like that. But then that person left over there. Oh, hi, ma'am.
Hi.
Oh, you have the same scooter as someone else.
Oh.
Oh, sorry, are you a man?
What?
Are you a man?
No. Why would I be a man?
Well, I just saw this girl stuffing like a Jew. That'd be $5 for a parking spot? Sorry, we're out of helmets if you wanted.
Yeah, I did not want one.
Okay, well, you can park in that last parking spot.
Yeah.
And then we'll be closed because there's no other spots for them. So the people who park can get their bikes out. And whatever. You can't go outside of the line because we just don't want other people's space. Well, we hope you guys really enjoyed this video. So I actually drew this all with chalk. I just thought it'd be a fun idea. I thought I made a video. I thought it was a good idea to make a video of it. And thank you guys so much for watching this video because we actually had some fun with this. Did you?
Yeah.
Okay, well, hope you guys enjoyed this
If you
video.
guys saw that gym one, it was very good.
Yeah. Our last video was the gym one, Sophia made. While she was making that video, by the way, I was making all this. So we hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Bye!